Are you still using the same AI tools from last year? Well, if you are, you're missing out, because in 2025, artificial intelligence has taken a huge leap. The right AI tools can save you hours of work, boost your productivity, and even help you make money. So in this video, we're counting down the top 5 AI tools you should absolutely be using this year. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or a business owner, these tools will make your life easier and help you achieve more than ever before. So let's get started. No. 5. Notion AI. Notion was already a powerful productivity app, but now with built-in AI, it's become a smart assistant. You can write faster, summarize notes, brainstorm ideas, and even generate full documents, all inside your workspace. It's like having a personal secretary who never sleeps. Number 4. Descript. If you make podcasts, YouTube videos, or any kind of audio content, this tool is a game changer. Descript turns your audio into text and lets you edit your video just like a Word document. Delete a sentence in the transcript. It's gone from the video. That simple? No. 3. If you're into design, marketing, or just love stunning visuals, Midjourney lets you create high-quality AI-generated images just by typing a prompt. From logos to fantasy landscapes. It's used by professionals and hobbyists alike. And in 2025, its outputs look more real than ever. Number 2. ChatGPT 5. This is more than just a chatbot. With real-time reasoning, voice capabilities, and internet access, it's basically your personal AI co-pilot. Need to write an email, code a website, or plan your next vacation? ChatGPT 5 does it all and faster than ever before. And finally, number 1. Perplexity AI. Think of it as a smarter, research-focused version of Google. You ask a question, and Perplexity not only answers it, but shows its sources and digs deep into reliable data. It's the ultimate tool for students, researchers, and curious minds. So, those are the top 5 AI tools you should be using in 2025. Whether you're really looking to save time, create content, or just stay ahead of the curve, these tools are here to help. Let us know in the comments. Which one are you using or excited to try? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more future tech content every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time.